Hey, it's Lindsay with WTI. Are you looking for really versatile baskets? Let me show you these ones by AREYZIN, and I love them. Let me show you why. So first of all, I love the size of them. You can see my little one loves to be able to pull them out. It's a great size because it has two handles that he can hold on to, and it fits just the right amount of toys so it doesn't make it too heavy. Something else that's really awesome is this wooden bamboo top. It's sturdy, it's soft, it is a great top so that you're able to stack them. You can see here I stacked mine too. You could go 3, whatever your height is, whatever you need. These are a great size for stacking. Now you see the size inside. I've compared them to a DVD case. You can see the size of it. We use it for some of our video game cases, and it's the perfect size to fit inside. And my kids love that they can just pull it out and pick which one they want. I think that the quality too of the plastic basket as well as the wooden bamboo top are both really good quality. So if you're looking for something that is a great price, but also you get the versatility, you could use these in a bathroom or a playroom like we did. You could use it in a kitchen, really wherever you need storage. These are gonna fit exactly what you need. And because it comes in a pack of 6, you have plenty of storage that you can use a number of different things with. I personally love them in our playroom because of the size. They fit inside of a closed shelf perfectly. I had a narrower shelf and I couldn't shut the doors with some of the other storage containers I had, and this fit perfectly. I could open and close the doors with no problems. If you're looking for inexpensive, good quality, and versatile baskets, I highly recommend these ones, and that's my point of view.